In today's class, we are going to have a quick revision or a summary lesson on qualitative versus quantitative data. So theoretical facts devoid of numbers are referred to as qualitative data. Saka we are slightly defining qualitative data differently this time. Tirikuti qualitative data. These are theoretical facts, and these theoretical facts are devoid of numbers. Theoretical facts devoid of numbers. That's qualitative data. Imwe nzira yamunogona kubata izvinayo ndeyekuti the word qualitative itself shares roots with the word quality. And tinoziva kuti the word quality, it's not numerical in nature. Dekati, what is the quality of your car? What is the quality of your school? You are not necessarily going to give me a number. You are going to give me theoretical facts. What is the quality of your car? Mchatanga kundiudza kuti engine yacho yakamira sei, maybe fuel consumption yakamira sei, mileage and stuff. Saka those are theoretical facts, and they are at large devoid of numbers. Since qualitative data is non-numeric, so the other thing is, so this is a point, then the second point would be qualitative data is non-numeric, but mogona kuti at best it is semi-numeric. At best it's semi-numeric, and it's non-numeric as one of its properties, but at best it can be semi-numeric. We can have some usage of numbers kana tichita qualitative data. Since qualitative data is non-numeric, codes can be assigned to individual observations for ease of analysis. Saka semi-numeric wandiri kutaura inini uri pakuti codes are assigned. These codes are assigned to observations, cannot to individual observations. And why is this? Tinozviitira for ease of analysis. For ease of analysis. Saka ndo patinoshandisa manamba. These codes are usually numbers. The codes are usually numbers. Okay, let us look at an example. Tokoti, we want to respond to the proposition that mathematics is a science. The following response categories can be given. Saka hatisi kubva pakuti qualitative data is categorical data. Saka the first sign, the first thing we look at kana tichidiscussa qualitative data, we look tinotsvaga ma-categories. But these categories, when they are numbered, when codes are assigned to these categories, if you remember our first lesson on qualitative versus quantitative, dopatakati we have it as ordinal. Because when we assign codes, numbers to categories, in most cases we are numbering them. We are putting them in a certain order, hence ordinal. But when we are not assigning numbers, when qualitative data is overly non-numeric, we are talking about the nominal side, where we are just stating theoretical facts which are devoid of numbers. Murukupabata. Saka proposition yedu, let me show you a certain table which explains what we are talking about. Let us look at this proposition. Proposition kana kuti mufunzo wedu, mathematics is a science. our response categories, we have code 1 iri kumiririra strongly disagree, code 2 iri kumiririra disagree, 3 agree, 4 strongly agree. Saka you can imagine kuti mapa vanhu equestion here in a question yekuti is mathematics a science, you are collecting data. Tadzokera ku definition yedu ye statistics where it's collection, collation, presentation, analysis and interpretation of data into information. Saka people should choose whether they strongly agree. Kana vachita strongly agree vanoisa 1 which is a code, kana vachita disagree vanoisa 2, kana vachita agree vanoisa 3, kana vachita strongly agree vanoisa 4. Saka ya macodes aya kana kuti manumbers aya ari kungoshandiswa for ease of manipulation, ease of analysis. When we look at quantitative data now, tiri kuti quantitative data describes observations that attract numerical responses. Sapa tikutaura about observations that attract numerical responses. Saka tatati qualitative data is devoid of numbers. This now incorporates usage of numbers. So this is the definition we are given to quantitative data: observations that attract numerical responses. For example, take the ages of students in a class. Ages of students in a class. Saka ngatiti class ine vanhu 10. Saka these are the observations we have. Each number is representing a student. Then my age out watati umwane 16, umwe 17, umwe 15, maybe pane mwana a genius ane 14, umwe kure Shoma 20, the oldest is 21, then we are having 18 with 2 more with 17, then 16. Saka these are the observations. Aya ndo ma observations aya. Then these are the ages in question. Saka the observations which attract numerical response. Question yekuti ukafunza munhu anokupa a number, that is quantitative data. That's simply what it is. We can also have another example. Tikataura about the height of trees in an orchard. Heights of trees in an orchard, it's also another example. Saka chandaisira this example ye ma age ndichikukuratidza kuti we still have observations kuti 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 zviri kurepresenta the students who are in your class. In other terms, tanga tigona kutonyora mazita avo kuti Tapiwa ane 16 years, Tanya ane 17, and so forth. Maybe we have Susan ane 18, Tadiwa ane 17, Shatnayak ane 17 futi, maybe Samson ane 16. Saka instead of kunyora mazita avo kudai tava tango va representa nema numbers, their observations, and then we are going to have the age. Mukatarisisa, we are not writing the ages in any number. Most likely we are just recording them as we are taking them down. That is what is happening. Saka this is the summary lesson on qualitative versus quantitative data. If you have derived meaning and also have learned something from this lesson, may you consider liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. Then if you want to join our class, Statistics A Level, WhatsApp us on +263 71 521 3310. Thank you and take care.